I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Forever Aloe Propolis Cream. Start by cleansing the skin gently before applying a pea-sized amount. Gently massage the cream into damp skin using upward strokes until fully absorbed. Avoid the eye area and wait a few minutes before layering other products. Use once or twice daily depending on your skin needs, and always do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Warm a small amount between your fingertips before touching your face to prevent tugging and uneven coverage. Focus on dry patches and areas prone to irritation, and let the cream absorb for a minute before adding serum or sunscreen. For nightly use, apply a slightly thicker layer to repair and soothe while you sleep. Adjust frequency based on how your skin responds, and always monitor for irritation. Forever Aloe Propolis Cream combines aloe vera and propolis to soothe, hydrate, and support skin repair in a lightweight formula. Expect calming relief on irritated patches and a smoother feel after regular use. The non-greasy texture makes it easy to layer under makeup or sunscreen. If you experience persistent irritation, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist to ensure the product suits your skin type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.